Why can transmission fluid go 60, 80, 100,000 miles? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
An automatic or manual transmission is a sealed system. You don't have exhaust gases coming in. You don't have outside contaminants being sucked into the transmission. What degrades the fluid in an automatic transmission? Well, it's heat, wear, friction, and contaminants generated by the internal components. When a fluid is degraded, it cannot control friction in a certain manner that's expected by either the control module or the internal clutches. When this happens, the customer may experience harsh shifts or shifts that kind of slip. New fluid, well, it restores that friction control condition. In other words, it restores everything so the clutch is engaged properly and the transmission can shift properly. Transmission fluid, it can go 60, 80, 100,000 miles. But once those chemicals and additives inside the transmission fluid degrade, they need to be replaced as soon as possible. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.